Hello everyone, I'm Nidhi, currently working in one of the FAANG company. So recently I received a question. So there is a question from a person who is from civil engineering department and he wants to do the C programming, C and C++, right? So his query is my course for a one who is not from the CS department and a beginner? So I want to clarify this course I have designed that in the 20 days you can cover C and C++ from the starting, from the scratch, doing 200 plus questions. These questions will be from beginner to advanced level, where I, who is working in a FAANG company, will be assisting you, will be guiding you, solving your all your doubts. So don't worry, there is no prerequisite for this course. You can join and learn and start growing. So you can check out my course on the Exam Prep Tool app. Link is in the description below. Enjoy learning.